Hi and welcome back to another football show review. Today we are looking at the Coventry City home shirt from the 1994-96 season, and this shirt was purchased from dhgate.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. Now I already know that I won't be able to leave a dhgate link to my usual seller with this item because I know they won't have it, so I will just leave a random shirt for my usual seller. So if you do want to check out dhgate, you can click the link and it'll take you straight through. Now this is a nice retro shirt. I do like a good retro. It's got the pony, the Coventry City badge and the famous Peugeot kit sponsor. So the shirt itself comes in a standard bag. On the flip side, it does have our usual health warnings. So if you are new around here, make sure you like and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But what we'll do now is we'll take the shirt out of the bag and we'll have a look at the Coventry City home shirt from the 1994 to 1996 season that was purchased from dhgate.com. And as I said, all details for the seller will be in the description of this video. Right, let's get the shirt out of the bag and take a look. We're at the front of the shirt here. It has got a standard proper collar, which is nice. Well, actually, it's got like an additional collar underneath. That's quite cool. As always though, you do have these little like dodgy ends on the collar. Pony has been, I think it's been glued on actually. It's not very, it's a bit dark, isn't it? I don't know if that's how it was on the original shirts. Coventry badge, been embroidered in, that feels quite nice. Peugeot. I don't know if you can hear the texture on that. It feels really good actually. Sleeves all look good under the arm. And that side looks nice as well. I do like the fact that you've got the chevrons all through the shirt, which then continue onto the edge of the sleeve there. Moving down to the bottom. Loose cotton just down there, but nothing to worry about. Scissors will soon sort that out. Material, it's quite a shiny sort of, yeah, it's a bit shiny but rough at the same time. Hard to describe. But as retros come, it is a good one. And I do like a good retro. If you were to go and buy one of the proper remake ones, you'll probably be missing the pony or something, or the Peugeot, so it's quite nice being able to buy them like this. We'll flip it around now and we'll take a look at the reverse side as well. Okay, we jump into the back. Collar line just continues around. Nothing really on the back. I've got no number or anything. I think back in 94, I'm trying to remember, would it have had a name on the back? Yeah, it would have had a name and a number. But yeah, I've opted for having nothing on this one. I imagine if I'd have had it, it would have just been like bold lettering and a bold number. No fancy font or anything like you get in today's football. Just a crease there. I think that's probably from where the tag has just been, the shirt's been in the bag and the tag's hit it. But that'll soon come off once the shirt's been worn or washed. Okay, we'll flip it around now and we'll look at the inside as well. Nothing really to shout out about on this side at all. On the inside of the shirt now, we have the collar, so you can see that additional little bit that I mentioned earlier just there, but you have got the standard collar which looks like it's gone on well. Coventry badge, I mentioned, has been embroidered on. One little join there, absolutely fine. None of that other card, no creasing, that's gone on really well. Pony's just here, mentioned that's been glued on. You can just see the dark lines around there, so you know that has been glued on. Again, no creases. This Peugeot sponsor, that feels lovely. Nice and smooth. Again, gone on really, really well. Arms stitching all looks fine. No concerns there. Fair few creasing from the shirt being in the bag, but once it's been worn, that will soon disappear. We do have our pony 100% polyester pony.com information there. Hemline looks nice and tidy. That was a loose stitching that we see. I think we see that one probably earlier, but again, pair of scissors will soon sort that out. The material's got such a nice glisten, even on the inside. That's what I liked about these retro shirts from the early 90s. They look so nice. We'll flip it around and we'll look at the final part of the inside of the shirt now. Okay, final side of the inside. We start with the Pony XL tag. It's got our washing instructions also underneath there. Recommendation when washing these shirts is to use a hand wash setting, and then when you dry them, just put them out to dry. Do not put them in a tumble dryer. When I wash them, I also flip them inside out as well. Got a Pony tag, size XL. It also says size XL there, made in UK. Being a retro one, this will fit just like an XL, so no need to size up or anything. It's only really the player spec ones that you need to size up on. All looking good. A really, really nice shirt. Okay, that is our Coventry City home shirt, inside and outside, from 94-96. Flip it around one final time and I'll give you the final information about this shirt. But all in all, I really like it. As I keep saying, I do love a good retro. And there is our Coventry City home shirt for the 94-96 season from dhgate.com. What I will say is it's a lovely retro. I love the glisten of the material. Like the chevron, I think that looks really, really smart. And then once the sun hits it, it's going to look absolutely outstanding. Delivery time is about 14 days from the point of being told that the shirt was going to be sent out, which is absolutely perfect, exactly what you would expect. The only thing for me is, I'm not sure whether that should have been, I don't know, if from a distance it looks really blurry, but when you get close, obviously you can read it as Pony, but it just doesn't, like from there, it just doesn't look right. If anybody knows if that's what it was like, please do let me know in the comments below. I will leave a link to Kit GG7 in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link. It won't be for this item, but it'll be for something from my usual seller. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions and messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But there it is, there is our Coventry City home shirt for the 94-96 season from dhgate.com. Thank you very much for watching, hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.